Hello, everyone. Here is YiLuProxy's channel. The video shows how to set up YiLuProxy in SwitchyOmega. First of all, set YiLuProxy settings as shown. Don't forget to save.
Then install SwitchyOmega extension in Google Chrome browser.
Then click the SwitchyOmega extension icon and click Options. Click New Profile. Fill in a profile name. Choose Proxy Profile Type and click Create. Multi-port forward, right-click an IP and select a proxy port. Local port, right-click an IP and connect. You can see the proxy IP information on the top left. You can also forward rotating IP to the proxy port using the same way. Select a country, state, city, and the number of refreshing IPs. Then click Refresh HTTP SOCKS5. Right-click an IP and forward a proxy port. You can see proxy ports information on port forward list. Then select Proxy Protocol, SOCKS5.
Fill in server, 127.0.0.1.
Port 1080. Click Apply Changes. Enter epinfo.io to check IP address. This IP is that one connected to port 1080 in YiLuProxy. Change the port to 5500. Click Apply Changes. Check IP address again. This IP is that one connected to port 5500 in YiLuProxy. Port 5501. Port 5502. And rotating IP also supports HTTP protocol. Okay. The video about how to set up YiLuProxy in SwitchyOmega is over. Thanks for watching and subscribing.